Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter the pairing mode on Sony speaker. And to do this we'll need to hold the power key for a few seconds so that the device is powered on. Then do the same thing, hold the power key for a few seconds again.
Bluetooth pairing.
You should hear Bluetooth pairing. Now you can move to your smartphone or any device you want to connect your Bluetooth speaker with. And it should be at the bottom in available devices. Click on it to begin pairing. Now the device is paired. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.